Good morning all of you. So I hope all of you done that homeworks. Okay, very important questions. All of you want to do that full homeworks. Same type question one more. Find the square root of 1369 using long division method. So same type, first we are place bar from the ones place digit for each two digits. Then what is the first step? Find out a square number which is just below 13. So it will be, which will be that 9. Okay, next power number, next square number is 16. That will be greater than 13. So just below this 13, the square number is 9. Then its square root we know 3. So that we take as the divisor and also as the quotient. Then multiply 3 into 3, 9. Then here we will get 4. Then next one, what is the next step? Bring down the next two digits from the next bar. Okay, then 469. Then find the double of 3, that we write here 6 with a blank. So we want to fill this blank with a digit with whose product is equal to or less than this 469. Which number we want to take? If the number is 4 into 4, only 256, 60, 67 into 7, because 7 into 7, 49, that type we can think. One's place we want to get 9 if it is for the correct perfect number. So balance is 4, 6 to 7, 42 plus 4, 46. So we can find write the number 7. Then it will be 67 into 7 we got 469. Remainder is 0. So what is the square root of 1369? That is 37. So I hope all of you understood this method for finding square root of a number. Then this type of question, this one type question we already discussed in the prime factorization method. Find the least number which we want to be multiplied or divided to get a perfect square. Okay, that type of question we discussed in the case of prime factorization. Just like in this case, all of you take a textbook and take that question, page number 105. Page number 105. Then click this question. Find the least number that must be subtracted. Okay, instead of multiplication and division, it is given subtracted, which that must be subtracted from 5607 so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square. The given number, it is given 5607, and it is given it is not a perfect square, and also which number we want to subtract from this 5607 to get a perfect square. That is the question. So if the question is subtraction or addition, then we want to find out that using long division method. And if the same type question, if it is multiplication, which number should be multiplied or divided, in that case we want to use which method for finding square root? Prime factorization method. So here it is subtraction. So which number should be subtracted? So in that case we can use long division method. So 5607, then we place the bar for the first 2 and units place and the next 2. Then find out the square number which is just below 56, that is 49. Okay, square root of 49 we know that is 7. Then it will be 7 in the quotient, also 7. 7 into 7, 49. Then next will be again balance is 7. Next bring down 0, 7. Then find out the double of 7, that we know 14. Then which number we should multiply, which number we want to write here, and when we multiply it with, we want to get a number 707 or just below 7. So if any number, if it is 146, we can try 6 into 6, 36, balance 3, 6 into 4, 24 plus 3, 27, 2, 1, 6 plus 2, 8. That is greater than this, 707. So we can just take next number just below 5. 5 into 5, 25, 2, 20 plus 2, 22, again 2, 1 into 5, 5 plus 2, 7. That also greater than this. Then it will be next, we can take 4, 144 into 4. That is 576. 4 into 4, 16, balance 1. 4 into 4, 16 plus 1, 17, balance 1, 1 into 4. Next 5, 5 into 5, 25, balance 2. 4 into 5, 20, 20 plus 2, 22, balance 2, 1 into 5, 5 plus 2, 7. Okay. So which number we want to write here? 4 or 5? It is only possible to write 4 because it is, otherwise it is greater than this 707. So same number we can multiply, we can write in the quotient also. Then 144 into 4 we got 576. Then subtract 7 minus 6, 1. Then 10 minus 7, 31. 6 minus 5, 1. 131. So we got the remainder without another than 1 0. So we can say this number 5607 is not a perfect square. If it is a perfect square, the remainder should be 0. But here we got the remainder as 131. Then what is our question? Which number we should subtract from this 5607 to get a perfect square? So which number we should subtract? The remainder we should subtract. So we subtract 131 to get a perfect square, and also find the square root of that new number. After subtracting that 131, what we will get? 5607 minus 131. We will get 5476. Then what will be its square root? Then easily we can say it will be 74. So square root of 5476, it will be the quotient what we got already, that is 74. This way we can find out that answer. Okay. So first case, if it is, which number we should multiply or which number we should divide, in that case we find out the square root using prime factorization method. In this case it is asked which number we should subtract. In that case we first find out the square root through division method, then find out the remainder, which is the remainder that number should be subtracted from the given number. Then it will be, the answer will be a perfect square. Then find out its square root. So that square root will be which answer we got here. Okay. Now next day we can find out which number should be added. Okay, that we can discuss tomorrow. Okay, thank you.